For years, Mia thought being alone meant something was missing. But one quiet morning changed everything when she discovered a secret about happiness that she never expected. Mia was always searching for someone to spend time with. She felt uncomfortable whenever her friends were busy, and she believed lonely moments were something to escape. One weekend, her friends canceled their plans at the last minute. Mia looked at her empty schedule and whispered, "What am I supposed to do now?" At first, she felt disappointed. She stayed in her room and kept checking her phone, hoping someone would send a message and save her from boredom. After a while, Mia decided to try something different. She went outside, walked through the park, and noticed the beauty around her. She bought a small notebook and sat under a tree. Maybe I can enjoy this moment without needing anyone else, she thought. Mia started writing her feelings, drawing simple pictures, and watching people pass by. She realized that quiet moments could also be meaningful. A few days later, her friend Sarah asked, "Didn't you feel bored being alone?" Mia smiled and replied, "Actually, I learned more about myself." Sarah was surprised. Mia explained that spending time alone helped her understand her dreams, interests, and personal goals. Slowly, Mia created a new routine. She read books, learned new skills, exercised, and enjoyed peaceful evenings without feeling empty. She still loved meeting her friends, but she no longer depended on others to feel happy. She discovered that her own company could be comforting. Months passed, and Mia became more confident. She was not afraid of silence anymore because she learned that silence could bring new ideas. One evening, she watched the sunset and remembered how afraid she used to be of being alone. She felt proud of her journey. Mia finally understood that enjoying life alone did not mean rejecting people. It meant building a strong relationship with herself. The next morning, Mia shared her experience with her family. She said, "I used to think happiness came from other people, but now I know it can also come from inside me." Everyone admired her positive change. Being alone is not always loneliness. Sometimes, it is an opportunity to discover who you are, enjoy simple moments, and grow into a happier person. Learning to enjoy your own company can make you stronger, more peaceful, and more confident. You do not need constant attention from others to create a meaningful life. True happiness often begins when you accept yourself and appreciate the little things around you. 5 useful vocabulary words with meanings. Escape to avoid something uncomfortable or difficult. Example: she tried to escape negative thoughts by focusing on positive activities, meaningful, important, and full of value. Example: the conversation with her friend was meaningful because it helped her understand herself. Comforting, making you feel calm and relaxed. Example: listening to quiet music can be comforting after a busy day. Routine, a regular way of doing things. Example: his morning routine helped him start each day with energy. Opportunity, a chance to do or experience something new. Example: traveling gave her an opportunity to learn about different cultures. Remember that learning English is not only about memorizing words, it is also about understanding feelings, experiences, and real-life situations. Stories like Mia's can help learners practice listening, improve pronunciation, and build confidence while speaking. When you repeat the sentences aloud, you can develop a more natural speaking style and learn how to express your thoughts clearly in everyday conversations. Keep practicing patiently because small improvements every day can create big changes over time. Keep believing in yourself during your English learning path.